What should I wear?
You're not gonna get it, dude. You didn't chalk up enough. First rule to going back to school is not to wear all of your cool clothes on the first week, because that's what everyone else is gonna be doing.
Save those cool new kicks for the second week when people least expect it.
You're gonna look so fly.
Oh, scratch!
You should have chalked it up, dude. You should have. Whoa! He seems to be hurt. Someone call 911.
How do I get popular this year?
I'm not saying all cats are girls and all dogs are boys. I'm just saying that'd be funny.
That is funny.
Don't worry about being popular. Just be yourself. Be confident in who you are.
It sounds cliche, but if people don't like you for who you are, you probably don't want to be their friend anyway.
Just cut them out. Oh, those are looking a little dark.
Don't tell me how to cook my brats, bro.
Jeez, someone didn't have their monster today.
What if I want to add someone to my crew?
All right, snakes on a...
Airplane.
Close enough.
Cool.
If there's a new kid eating by himself, feel free to invite him over to your table. Because who knows, he could have rich parents.
Or even better, he could turn out to be your best friend and future best man when you finally decide to get tied down.
Here, my turn.
Okay. Not Toy Story 1.
Toy Story 3.
Close enough.
Do I have to go back to school?
Good work, Johnson.
I see you over there getting your quarterly numbers up. My dude.
Yes, it may not seem like it now, but your education is directly linked to your success and happiness later in life.
And unless you have like a super sick idea for a dope app and the coding skills to make it, you should probably stay in school. All right, that's it for this episode of Growing Up.
Leave a comment below and let us know what other advice you'd like from us.
All right, we'll see you next time. Deuces. Hey, yo, Johnson, I see you, dude. When are we gonna make a trade in fantasy football?
Johnson, are you ready to crush some breeze after work?
What are you even listening to on those headphones, Johnson? Probably something dumb.
Like Sugar Ray.
Yo, I like Sugar Ray.
Me too, actually.
All right, you wanna go see how many Cliff Bars we can put in our mouth?
Yeah.